Hello friend, welcome. Today I am going to discuss one of the new feature of AutoCAD 2023. So right now I will discuss one by one. First let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nihal Anwar and I am working in a Trishita Engineering LLP, and I have a 5-year experience in this field of CAD industry. So today let me discuss the new feature those who are using AutoCAD BICE 23, and right now what the new update is 23. Let me discuss one by one. Thank you each and everyone for taking certain kind of the patience, and you need to watch each and everything from initial to the end level. So the first agenda what I am going to discuss, this is called introductions portion is this, because I will tell you the introduction and the new feature of AutoCAD and some of the new tools I am going to discuss, and we will go for the quick tour of the demos version, that is called the live demo how it's work. So these are the new features in AutoCAD 2023. The first thing is drawing and the layout tab we will discuss. Then we have the general drafting enhancement option is there, and we have the 3D graphics is updated. It means that previously what happened when we make a certain kind of shadows or realistic view, it gives certain kind in the slower, but when we are using in 3D graphics in 2023 is a mind blowing. It's quickly and you can easily rotate each and everything as per as your requirement. And there we have the my inside option is there. We have the floating drawing window enhancement option, trace enhancement, count enhancement, and markup import and markup assist option. We are going to discuss one by one. So the first thing, drawing and the layout, you can see in a screen also. So how it's work, you can, if I just zoom it, you can also understand. So these are things we will discuss. There is a call, a certain kind of thing is updated, we will discuss. One looks is totally changed, so it will really improved us how we can understand these things. We will also understand this concept. And the second thing, the general drafting enhancement option is there. The general drafting of enhancement option is this because what happens, so there is a called peak line. So when we click on this option, what will happen, so you can drag it as per as your requirement. You can easily drag the line. So initially you need to copy command all those things, so it will reduce your work to how it's work only. So it's a really a mind-blowing option is there, is called polyline extend. We have the option, so with this help there is a call extend vertices option, you will get it from here. So these are also updated in that is called the AutoCAD 2023. And we have the 3D graphics option is there. So if you let me just zoom, so you can understand how the fast shaded option is there. Shaded option, we have the shaded with edge option, it also is updated from here. So these things also we are going to discuss in this video. And we have the my inside option is there. My inside is basically frequently used a certain kind of command in the drawing options. And the macro advisor, it can be also maximum portion, it is also used. So these things we will discuss one by one. There we have the floating option is improvement as compared to the BICE. The floating option is totally improved in a drawing. Further work is very easy for there. And we have the trace enhancement option, how we are going to make it. A trace option is there. And we have the count option is there. So previously we can use the counting option, but right now there is a selected option. Even you can find out a certain kind of the counting option you need to know, so even you can get it from there. And we have the markup import and marker assistant option is also there. So you can make a certain kind of markup option you need, so you can make it a certain kind of markup. And we have the different kind of assistant option is there. So here you will also so you can see in the different kind of the drawing option, you can see it from here. So how we can make a certain kind of the things, we can learn lots of things. So these things is updated from 2023. And let's just jump to our, that is called the practically how it show you. So let me just show you. So initially you need this kind of the welcome. This is the user interface of 2023. Here you will get the different kind of recent docs, learning inside. So if anyone was just want to know how it's work, the docs, suppose someone need to learn the docs, someone need to learn that is called my inside. So this thing also we are going to discuss one by one, so you will learn lots of things from here. So the first initially thing, I have the simple drawing, you can see it from here. So I will make what I am going to make, I will make a series option from here. So I will make one series option. I don't want to make this video should be very long, so I will discuss two or three features how it's work. So let me just show you. There is a one option, the count option we are going to discuss. So we need to click on the view tab. If you just click on the view tab, there is a call the count option is there. You need to click on the count option. So it is updated from this screen. You can easily see it from here. I will show you. So in the count option, you can see this option is updated from here. So I have also shown you we are using the version is called 2023. So you can see it in the top or the portion that is called AutoCAD 23 option. We are going. So these option in the count option you can find it from here. So after clicking this the count, you will get this option is from here also. So then you can understand how it's work. After clicking the count option, so right now nothing is showing, so you need to click on the count option. So here you need to select the option. If I just select the whole option, so everything will be find out from here. You can see it from here. Number of count option it will show you. And if previously we have also discussed there is a call notification. If you just click it here, you will get the whatever the error is there. So in the red color you can see it, find it from here. There is a certain kind of the error from it. What the error is? Overlapping object. If you click zoom, it means there is a two object. If I just selection, if I make it a move command, move up to from, we can place it from here also. So like this one, see it is automatically moved. It means it is perfectly done. And there is a one more option. If you just click it option, so you can find it where is exploded object. If you just click it here, so it will automatically give you the zoom option. So these objects are splitted here. If I just click the either you can move or even you can just delete it option. So what I can do it, I just select like this one option. If I need to move from this to this one, see it is automatically not, it's not been moved. Let me just complete these things. I will make this one as a move command and I will make it in the proper positions, and see it is overlap is completed. So right now there is an option you can find it from here also. Suppose I want to see from this object, so how many are element from up to this portion. If I just select this person, so we have that this kind of things we can get it from here up to certain area. It means if you put the cursor, you will find count in a specific area. It is updated in 2023 AutoCAD. So you can specify the count option from here. So what the count, suppose let me just show you. I want from this option counting, see it automatically gives you the count. And after counting, you can also create what you need, a certain thing, create table also you need to want. Even you can create, I want everything should be selected, so you can select one by one also, or by shift option. After clicking you need to insert, and even you can click it from here. See it gives you the whole detail from here. If I just click it, so it's a very small in size. So how we can increase? It's very selection option. You need to click the SA enter, and there you need to pick the base point, and there is called the reference option. So first point, and you need to click this one, and you can increase as per as the size. You can zoom and you can increase the option like this one. I want more to should be increased. SA enter unit, click it anywhere and make it a reference for second, and you can suppose up to here. See. So how the item can also be, you can the chair, computer, desk, door, iPad, keyboard. So everything you can update it from here. I want should be the fully, I want to see. If I just click the fully, so all the full option is given from here. I want the table from this one. I want to should this table should be updated from here. Inserting option. If I just click it here, so even you can see it from here. The chair should be the 66, but this share should be only the 11 because it is defined only for this option. This boundary is defined, and this one is defined by the whole. So there is a differences between the number of share you can get it from here. Sorry. So that's it's the most important tools is the count option you can get it from here. Let me just delete. We don't need to explain this one. So again one more thing I will just oh it's Azan is completed, thanks. So these are the option we have that is called the count option. And the second option I am just going to tell you the most important part, how it's work. Let me, these are the buildings. Suppose I need to, the floating option is mind blowing from here. Suppose I need to drag this one, see it become the floating. The previously it will show you the floating, how we can float each and every one. So let me just the drawing, I need to just a minute. Let me open amenities, 1 minute. So let me just float option is there, I need to drag this one. See, even there is a called locking option is there, so you can see it from the locking. Let me just zoom so you can understand how we can lock it on. So here you can see there is, you can even you can lock these things very easy. What we need to do it, if I just make it a lock, it becomes the lock. So right now it is not the moving, so it become the fixed in a position. So by looking this one, you can change any kind of thing. So floating can be done not only for the one floating, you can do it, you can make it a number of, that is called different kind of tab you can open it from. So let me just, I just need to open this second tab, it's become the fixed is here. So even you can drag it, you can pull it up also, there is no issue. Suppose the drawing I need to draw, I want to draw some new drawing from here. Let me just, I am just clicking rectangle so you can understand only. So I need the floor need to be read, so I make it a floor. I need the, this drawing should be, so even I make that this drawing should be like this one, and I want that should be the proper dimension, you can put it drawing like this one. And this should be, you can also make it drawing like this one. See how is, and this is your the main drawing you need to draw, you can draw it from here. So that makes the drawing will be the very easy to understand. See, right now it's not a fix, I make it a fix. Now if I just click, it will not be moved. If I just make it an unpin option, if I just click, it is automatically moved like this one. See, that's make the drawing is more important one. I we need to fix also. Again I have one more drawing from here, I make it also floating. Right now if you just click, it become, you can do it any kind of work, you need to read it any kind of drawing, the dimension you can also use it from here. If you want to place, just drag this one and drag like this one. So it makes your work very easy to understand how it work in a 2023, because each and every year the Autodesk produce new tools, new feature for the customer, they can utilize in a more and a powerful way of any kind of the drawing in 2D. So I have just discussed only the two features in 2023, and we have the also lot of the future in the collaborate option is there, how we can sharing the drawing, and Autodesk docs, traces option is there, markup import option is there. So we will discuss in the second video. So I like to request each and everyone there, if you have any question, feel free to ask me the question. If you want any kind of the demos, so even you can put any kind of demo from our website, it is called the trishita.com. You can just go there, visit there, you will learn lots of things from here. So right, thank you very much for everyone for watching. Thanks a lot, thank you.